Hello and welcome to another video of WordPress development series for complete beginners. In this video I will explore post section. So after clicking on post, we will get this screen. Here you can see all your posts you have posted or in draft. This is the previous video draft we created. Here you can see the author who published. In our case is admin. Their categories, no, it is uncategorized, tags, date when they published, and the comments. You can apply filters as well, like edit, move to trash, multiple, like bulk, and move to trash. This will move them to trash. Apply. Okay, so this will move the both post in trash. This is our post and we will restore them from trash. And restore and apply. Okay. Okay, so we get our post back. In all, we have all the posts, whether they are published or dropped. In published, we have 2 posts, and draft, we have 1 post. What other things you can do is you can filter by dates as well and by categories. For now we have only one category, that is uncategorized, and that is by default. When we click filter, it will automate results. And now we are going to add a new post. We click on add new from here or by going and clicking there. Here we need to add title of our post. Let's say new post, and here we'll add our content. Hello, this is new post. Okay, so when we add new our title, permalink that is linked to this post has been automatically generated by WordPress. Okay, these are some options that we can do with our posts, like they are in paragraph. We can add as heading 1 and other options heading 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we add it as paragraph. We can bold this, italic, make it italic, add bullets or numbers, make block quote, line left, center or right. Okay. By clicking here we can add link to this. For example, we add www.google.com. so when someone click this line, it will move him to google.com. Here we can add, insert, read more, tag, and there are some more options here. Okay, we say hello. This will strike through this text. This is a horizontal line that we can add in our post. We can change color of our text from here. Can as paste as text. If we copy something, we can click here and paste it as a text. We can clear formatting from here like this and click here, and it will remove and all the formatting. We can add special characters from here. This one, there is a decrease indent. Okay, indent is space, so it will decrease and increase. You see this, undo and redo and keyboard shortcuts. Okay, so this is just an overview of what we can do in our add new post section. This is our another post, publish post menu, you can say. Here you can save it as a draft or preview. This visibility is public. You can change status from here, edit or pending review. You can change visibility from here, password protected if you want to make it look for only particular persons. You can add password, and the person who has password, or only he can view this post. You can add it as the private as well, so no one will able to see your post. And publish, we can make it schedule when we want to publish our post. For now it is immediately. By clicking here we can move this to trash, and publish will publish our post. We can add categories or add new category. I will say new, and we add this, and this will make our new category. We can add tags as well, like post. We can make this as well. For now we keep it as default template, and we can set featured image as well. We will discuss this it later. For now we will publish our post. And you see this message, post published. We click on view post here, okay. So this is our new post we just created. Here's the link, and here it is. When we click on here, it will redirect us to google.com, and this is our new category that we just created. and this is our tag. Okay, so this is our new post, how we can add new post. Now move to categories. Here we can add new category like polity or sports, we can say. Slug. Now slug is the URL friendly text, like I will show you later. But Google says it is a text that comes after your domain name as part of your permalink that is leading to your content. For example, I would say cricket. Okay, and we can add descriptions if we want. If we have parent category, we can add that as well. For now we add new category. Okay, so we refresh our website, and we go to our home page. This is not created. Okay, I think I have I forget one thing. I have to add some post in that category like this. We are testing post in sports category. Here sports, and we update this. There is some kind of error. Let me check. Okay, so the error has been fixed. Now we click on sports, and you see in URL there is cricket instead of sports. This is slug. This is how slug play roles while when your site goes live in SEO. So it is important to add right things in slug and name as well. Okay, so the next is tags. Slug plays same role here as it plays in categories, and tag is anything like a keyword that will help to search your post on your website. So we can add any new tag like sports like this, and add new, and it will add new tag as well. Okay, so what is the difference between categories and tags? The basic difference is that categories in categories there can be many posts, like in sports we have cricket, football, basketball, They all fall in sports categories. But when we talk about tags, they are specific to particular post. Like in cricket, we can add football as a tag. We can add tags related to cricket. So categories is a vast more category area, while tag is more specific area. So this is the basic difference between categories and tags. So this is all for this video. In next video I will show you about pages and the difference between pages and post. Thank you.